Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Holden Equinox LT sedan, LT wagon. Stock reference number 4689. The shape runs from the 9th month 2017 through to and is the current shape, and it has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage. We have the spare space saver, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type center console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.